And the first question is in this video, Dove Lake located in which country? And the as the right answer is option C, Australia. Next question, Lake Amadeus is located in which country? And the correct option is option B, Australia. Next question, Trafalgar Square is in. The correct option is option C, and it's London. Next question, who is known as Aflatun? And the correct option is option C, is Plato. Next question, the state of the world's forest report is published by. The correct option is option D. The D is the correct option. Food and Agriculture Organization, the United Nations. Next question, Quad countries held first naval exercise in which year? The correct option is option D, 2020. So the next question, Quad, an alliance of four countries, US, Australia, Japan and India to contain China, formed in which year? The correct option B, 2007. Next question, the Great Lakes are group of dash lakes. As the correct option B, it's 5. Next question, which of the following is not the part of Pacific Pumas? The correct option D, Brazil. Next question, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest place in African continent, while the lowest point on continent is. Its correct answer option A, Lake Assal. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।